candles, unplug the tree. There's no one awake at midnight but me. I slip down the hall, and amid the moonbeams, my kids are tucked in, dreaming Christmas dreams. Days of such wonder, magic-filled nights, moments they look back on all of their lives. So much time wide-eyed at holiday scenes. Now they're worn out, dreaming Christmas dreams. Dreams of cookies and cards, boxes and bows, storefronts and stockings, and days when it snows, with all of the secrets that this season keeps. It's a wonder at all that they fall asleep. I smile as I kiss them, 'cause under that tree are surprises that they're not expecting to see. We're just hours away from their giggles and screams, the answers to all their Christmas dreams. Dreams of tinsel and toys and Santa's workshop, noises at night coming from the rooftop, with all of the secrets that this season keeps. It's a wonder at all that they fall asleep. The thought comes to mind that I may be the one who's most excited about what's yet to come. As I crawl in bed, I laugh 'cause it seems, guess you're never too old for Christmas. No, you're never too old for Christmas. You're never too old for Christmas. Dream